If you have ever wanted to take something like this particular element, and change it so that it has a different color background and even a different font, different color of font, you could even change the words, then watch today's Canva tutorial and I will show you how to do that. By the way, you will need Canva Pro for this particular effect. So if you want to try it for free for 30 days, check out the link in the description. What we're going to do is change the color of the background to the color of this, the color that is underneath the word surprise. So we're going to click the background, click the color, click the plus sign, and grab the eyedropper. If you are on a computer, you will need to use the Chrome browser or the desktop app for it. So I selected the color of the paper, and now it's not exactly white, so you can't just choose white for this effect. And now the next thing we're going to do is make this as large as possible. So that's going to cover the area. Get a square. We want to cover up the word surprise. So click Elements and go get you a square. We're going to size the square. I am not very good on the mobile app. That's one reason why I'm doing this on my phone, because I think if I can do it on the phone, then just about anybody should be able to do it on the phone. We're going to cover up that rating, and then we're going to change the color to that same background color. And I see that it is not quite the same, so I'm a little worried about that, but we're going to give this a go, and it is downloading. And add this back in on my Uploads tab. So here it's coming in. All right, now we're going to see if this works. I'm not sure if it's going to work because the color may not have been exactly the same, but we're going to click Effects and then click Background Remover, and we're going to hope that it is close enough that it gets rid of everything that I want it to get rid of. And I'm not going to know for sure until I change the background color. And look, it worked. Okay, let's just add it to a grid. So we're going to go back to Elements, use the grid, type in grid, and you will get it. We're going to make sure it's right on this top and then put that there. It is a little off, so what we need to do is just resize the grid so that it is there. And the reason why I'm using a grid is so that I can easily move this and change the background color to anything that I would like. So if I would like for it to be that blue, it could be that blue. And now we can add our text. Plus, text, you can add a heading, just for simplicity's sake, surprise, and change the color. You could even change the font. We're going to size it down a little bit. And you can even on mobile device nudge it. Increase the font size. Like I said, I'm not very efficient on mobile, but I am improving. And of course, you could add a text effect if you wanted as well. That's all I've got for you today. See you next time. Bye.